morning, student. So in the last video we have solved the exercise 1.4, right? We have converted the non-linear equation into a linear equation. In this video we are going to solve the application of a simultaneous equation. Means what? You are going to solve the word problem. Means you have to frame the equation and then you are going to solve the equation. Okay? So let's just take one example over here. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So first we have to find the length and breadth. So we are going to assume length as a x and breadth as a y. If the length of rectangle be x centimeter and breadth y centimeter. Okay. And then from first condition, what is the first condition? From first condition, the perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeters. So what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is equals to twice of length plus breadth. Okay. So perimeter equals to twice of length plus breadth. It means is equals to 2 times x plus y. This 2 will go in the denominator. It will divide the 40 and you will get x plus y is equals to 20. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now from second condition. What is the second condition? The length of rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. So length of the rectangle means x is means equal more than double its breadth. Double means twice of breadth. What is the measurement of breadth is y. So 2y plus by 2. Right. So it is more than double its breadth by 2. So it means when you are going to double the breadth and you are going to add 2 in it, then you will get the measurement of the length. So your second equation is, you will shift this over here, you will get x minus 2y is equals to 2. This is your equation number 2. Okay. Now you can use any method, right? Elimination, substitution, or the Cramer rule. We are going to multiply equation number 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So you will get 2x plus 2y is equals to 40. Okay. This is the equation number 3. Now add equation number 3 and 2. Add 3 and equation 2. So what you will get after adding this? 2x plus 2y is equals to 40. X minus 2y is equals to 2. We are doing addition over here. So it will not change the sign of second equation. So this will get cancelled. We will get 3x is equals to 42. And this 3 will go in the denominator. It will divide the 42 and you will get x value is 3 4s are 12. So your x is 14. And now we are going to find the value of y. Means measurement of length is 14 centimeter. And for y you can substitute this 14 in any equation. So put x is equals to 14 in equation 1. Okay. So you will get 14 plus y is equals to 20. Shift this 14 over here, you will get 20 minus 14 means 20 minus 14. Therefore, your y value is 6. Okay. So, the measurement of length is 14 centimeter and the measurement of breadth is 6 centimeter. I hope you all understood this.